away, feeling too good.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a little while since I posted, you guys. I missed you so much. I've just been in my feelings. I'm a mom, so I had to take a break, a much needed break, because I'm busy all the time and I started to get tired a lot. So I'm back with another hair video, you guys. This hair is so beautiful. I will be linking all the information down for you guys in the description box, and I'm also going to be doing a mini install. It was very easy, so I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this look. So if you're interested, please go ahead and stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that bell button. And I hope you guys had a very special and beautiful holidays. Even though we're in a pandemic, I hope you guys enjoyed. Also, Happy New Year. It's 2021 and I'm looking forward to so many great things. I have so much I want to share on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe. Okay, beautiful. So let's get into the unboxing of this hair. This unit is from the UNice Hair Amazon store. So now I'm just going to show you what the inside looks like. It does come pre-colored, so you don't have to do anything to it. This is everything that you're going to get if you purchase this unit. It does come with some really cool items, such as a wig cap, which you always need. You can never run out of those. You also get a cap to lay down your wigs, and then you get some eyelashes, girl. You know, you always can use those. And then you get this beautiful charm bracelet. I thought that was really cute and nice to have. So we're going to get into the install. I'm going to be showing you guys how I just basically put it on and how easy it was to install. So the whole entire video is going to be dedicated to me just manipulating the hair, showing you how I curled it, and then how I did a little bit of customization to it. This unit is a silk based closure, so you don't need to bleach the knots, which is perfect. So anybody that's a beginner, or if you don't want to really mess with your hair or take the time out to do your hair, this is perfect because you don't have to do anything to it. It is a T-part lace closure wig. It's party space of a 4x4 closure, and this unit is 16 inches, 150% density, and it's Brazilian straight human hair. It does say that it's pre-plugged, but you don't need to plug it at all because it's not really a lot of plucking space. And then also it just, the fake scalp method, it makes it look very realistic, so you don't have to really do much to it. I do recommend you getting your wax stick, also putting some free spray on it so that you can get the little flyaways out of the way. You want to also pluck the part a little bit wider so that it looks more natural, because it does look very thin when it comes in the package. So you just want to do that to give it more of a natural look. Also add some curls to it and some baby hair, which you don't even really need baby hair. I wasn't going to put baby hair, but then at the last minute I did decide to do so. So yeah. That's pretty much it. It's so simple, self-explanatory. You guys would love this unit. It's very easy to curl and style, so I like that about the unit as well, and it's affordable on top of that. So you guys, please don't forget to check out the description box. I'm going to have the link for this hair, and also everything that I mentioned in the video is going to be down in that description box. But yeah, I'm not going to really talk much through the video. I'm just going to let you guys see the install, and yeah.
Don't take it, take it, just don't deal and live my life. Don't take it personal, I ain't lying, I ain't hiding. I've been grinding, multiplying. I've been trying to get my weight up, staying prayed up, meditating and taking time away. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning. I'm writing rhymes in the kitchen, soaking in moments we live in, yeah. You got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be building. It's my season, lay foundation, make a name for generations. Please and make a, then take a break or a little vacation and chasing blues away. Hey, hey. You always posting up pictures, trying to look like you winning or look like you always be working, soaking the moments you live in. Yeah, you got the nerve to be on me, faking your life for the IG. If you got my number, don't add me, cause baby, I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. I'm on hiatus. Baby, don't check for me. Taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. I'm in a place serene and pure and free. Hey, I ain't worried about what's the wave, only worry about me. Yeah. Oh, I'm taking time out to be and live my life off screen. Taking time out to be and live my life. Girl, I see your face everywhere. When I'm going out, you'll be there. Cause everything reminds me of you. I can't take no more. Girl, I think I'm losing my mind. Try to go to work, but I lost track of time. Cause everyone keep looking like you. I can't take no more. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Can we stop the clock and rewind? Go back to that moment in time when you say you want me for life. Was it all a lie? I gave my all to deserve ya, begging on my knees just to show ya you're the one I want and I love ya. No, 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 no lie. I miss your touch from your hands and your body. It hurts so much to think of you with someone else. Can't get enough when you're sweet talking to me. Now I'm talking sweet all by myself. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. What you need from me, need your love on me, put your love on me. I'ma do everything for you. I don't want anyone but you. Put your arms around me, put your faith in me, put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love. Put your love on me. Your love, 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 your love.
Alright, beautiful. So if you're still here with me, if you have not already, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that bell button because I do post very often and I have some really cool units to show you guys. I have a lot of partnerships that I'm doing. So yes, go ahead and hit it, girl. Also, I hope you are not laughing at my curling method. I just literally was in a rush and I'm not the best curler, so do not judge me. But this hair, despite me being in a rush and not having all the skills, it's literally looking so gorgeous, so pretty. I didn't have to do anything to this hair, literally, you guys. It is perfect and I got so many compliments on it. So yeah, this is pretty much summing up the video. Don't forget to subscribe like I said. As always, it's my pleasure, you guys. I love, 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 love this hair. And if you love it just as much as I do and today's video was great, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. As always, it's my pleasure. Bye.
Take it away, feeling too good to me.